Adding filters can enhance your YouTube shorts and make them visually appealing. So here is a step-by-step guide to using filters on your shorts. So let's get started. Firstly, make sure you have the latest version of the YouTube app installed. Then launch the app on your device. Then once done so, tap on the plus icon located at the bottom center of the screen. Now you can simply create a video. Hold the record button to capture a new video or tap the upload icon to choose a clip from your gallery. Now, once done so, you can see the filter icons usually represented by a magic wand or adjustment symbols at the right side hand. Scroll through the available filters to see the effects in real time. Tap on filter to apply it to your video. You can also adjust video speed, add music or text to customize your shot further. Then once satisfied, you can tap on the next and upload the video. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.